Hey guys, today is December the 6th of 2018, and I want to go over the Aussie dollar using Gann price and time technical analysis. So as we can see, look at the Aussie. Nice little sell-off. I wish I was in. I got out early. I guess I got out too early, and prices kept continuing going lower. I honestly didn't think it was going to go this low, but markets always surprise you. So let's look at some levels. Let's look at our square of 9. You can see that right now it's at the cardinal, 1350 degree, 7255. That's a level right there to watch. It's below it. We could take that out and use our floating. And we can see that found resistance at the 120 degree, found support, is finding support at the 60 degree, which is at 7192. This is a very important level right here. I'm going to show you why. Just remember, 60 degrees, 71.98. We'll continue. Take this off and use our Gann emblem. Look at that, 180 degree right there, 180 degrees, 71.89. Didn't even pierce it. So it's the halfway point. We've been 360 degree. 360 is right here. We kind of blew off some steam at the top and then sold right back off, and now smack at 180 degree. Take that off and let's use our square range. Look at that key level right there. Is that going to hold? We'll see. Another key level to watch is the 50%, which is this one. That's the big one. Fail the 25. This one right here. Percent right there. We pierced it, but we're above it right now. So this level right here, very strong support. If it fails, then it's going to go to 71.13, which is a 75%, or the swing pivot high. We'll see. But so far, this is holding. I'm watching it now like a hawk to see if it's going to turn up. It's weak. Yeah, it is weak. It broke a trend line. It broke a lot of stuff. I'll show you. But doesn't mean that it won't turn up, but it's on the weaker side, so you have to use cautious. Let's see. So this one right here, the 1 by 1, cracked. You can see it right here, failed. So it's on the weaker side. It's more in the bear camp. So you have to keep that on the back of your head. You know, you could go long and then get your head chopped out. So you have to kind of maybe let it consolidate and see what it's going to do, if it's going to, turn back up and then, get all the bears. Using the 144 square, you can see that it's at key support right here. So that's good. And we if anything, we should consolidate and then go up. But we'll see. Nothing's written in stone. It's just speculating. Using the 52 key support here too. So far, this is holding. So like I said, there's a lot of stuff holding around right here. There's the 50, there's the 180 degree, there's the 60, there's these square lines. We got to see if that's all going to hold or not. Anything else here? I think that's it. I think I covered everything I wanted to cover in regards to this chart. Here you can see same thing, 180. This is another software I use. The only thing concerns me is the cycles are projecting lower all the way to the 20th. So can we continue pushing lower? We can. Seasonals are showing, we got a spike here. Seasonals are showing that it's going lower to like the 24th. So if it's going to invert, then it's going to go up and do a high on the 24th. If it's going to follow the seasonalities and the cycles, then it's going to go lower. You can see that we cracked the trend line, or the auto trend, which is a linear regression channels. That cracked. We failed the ellipse. We right below it. This is a possible target right here. If it's going to go down 71.50. If this doesn't hold, this is a target I have. If it's going to go lower, but hopefully this would hold right here and consolidate a little bit, and then maybe retrace back up. Let's see. Take that off. There. I think that's it for that chart. Looking at this chart, you can see December 4th was the 0.618 in regards to time. And that was the 4th right there. So that nailed it. I'm looking at it after the fact. I haven't noticed this yet because I didn't open this platform to look at it. But it confirmed it with all the other stuff I was looking. I just wish I was in it for this whole downtrend. But it is what it is. Just got to roll with what you got. Everything is negative here. The Dole look back system, negative, negative, negative. Maybe once this gets a bottom like this, maybe it's a good opportunity to start looking even closer. But so far, we just got to see if these levels are going to hold right. And lastly, my last chart. We'll start off with the Gann grid. So if you did the Gann grid on TOS or on your platform, you can see that you fail the 1 by 1 in regards to the first impulse wave, which is this right. You're below the 1 by 1. It held it here. It failed it here. You're right now holding the 37.5, which is at 71.96. Your support at this one angle, which is the 1 by 2. So that's holding. And this is where we're at, 72.18. I would like to see maybe another flush down, maybe tomorrow. Consolidate, or maybe just consolidate this week, and maybe comes Monday, pop up. But keep in mind also we have the Gann box, the Gann grid that's going to end here. That's what day is that? The 14th. So it'll be interesting on that. There's a couple of things to be cautious. 72.01. I don't know where I have that level. Below. Channel. The original channel, which is this right here, failed. So that's what really triggered all the bears to pile in. And trend line failed. And 50%. And this is one of the reasons why I took profit, because I thought it was going to hold that 50%, 73.30. But this thing continue going even lower. And now it's kind of finding support at 37.5 with all the other ones I told you, the 180, the 60 degrees, and the square, all kind of showing that. And then you can see there's a big support right here in this area right here. So I'm going to sign out. Just want to let you know what I see in regards to my well, look, we look like we got a buy signal here. Premature. Things are kind of sloping up a little bit. Hasn't really got out, but it's at the 50%. Finding support. We'll see. But I may nibble a little bit here. I don't know yet if I'm going to nibble now. But anyway, I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Aussie dollar.